to start profile and role concept, right?
Yes.
Do you have any questions from previous sessions?
And not till now. I have searched for some critical authorization object. Uh,
Okay.
you asked me to check for some of the uh, critical authorization objects, and some of them you have mentioned, like S underscore T table for TABU underscore DIES.
Monica, give me a second. Yeah. If you
Yeah,
want, you can share your screen and show it to me if that's fine.
actually, I have written down, not
Oh,
in
okay. Okay.
in
Not an issue then.
yeah.
All right. Uh,
the-
all right. So let's start with profile and role concept.
Okay,
Okay. Profile and role concept. Okay.
okay.
Uh, earlier till SAP Security version 4.7. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Give me a second, please. Sorry. Well, earlier SAP version 4.7, what used to happen
Mm-hmm.
was that we used to assign profile.
Okay.
Okay. To provide any authorization or any permission or any access to a user, we used to
Mm-hmm.
assign profile to a user. Like you see, profile contains T code and auth object, which was assigned to a
Okay.
user. But it was not that
Okay.
simple. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Since you are done BTech, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you must know that if there is any program, okay,
Yeah.
there are lots of other classes and subclasses there available.
Yes.
It's total coding. So when we have to add T code and authorizing object and
Mm-hmm.
maintain roles or create any profile,
Mm-hmm.
we have it was lots of programming only.
Yeah.
And that too ABAP programming, which is a okay. So it it was a very big, very problematic for such security people.
Yeah.
Okay, so so after version 4.7, what happens was they kept the profile as it is.
Okay.
Okay, but they added a new thing called role. Now
Okay.
we instead of assigning profile to a user, we assign role to a user.
Okay.
Okay,
So
now what?
basically, profile and user are same.
Yeah, they are same, but the main difference between is when we have to, add T code and authorization object to a profile, sorry, to
Mm-hmm.
a role. We don't have to go through all the, those codings, all those classes. We don't have to learn that which is the subclass where we have to add T code and where we have to add authorization objects.
Okay.
Okay. In role, we just have to we have been given an option from that there is a menu tab where we have to add T codes, and then there is an authorization tab where uh, we have to add authorization objects to the role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sorry, maintain authorization object to the role.
Okay.
And after maintaining T code and auth object in a role,
Mm-hmm.
we generate its profile. Okay.
Okay.
See, when we generate a profile, what happens is uh, it contains all the ABAP coding. Profile contains all the ABAP coding, and the places where we have to put those T code and auth object, they are automatically picked up in the profile when we generate a profile from role. Understood?
It's little bit confusing.
Yeah. Okay. You know Hindi, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Let me explain in Hindi. प्रोफाइल में क्या
Okay.
होता था कि पूरी प्रोग्रामिंग होती थी,
Mm-hmm.
फुल एवेप प्रोग्रामिंग होती थी. ओके.
Uh-huh.
अब हम एज ए सैप सिक्योरिटी हम लोग को भी बहुत फुल प्रोग्रामिंग करनी पड़ती थी, एवेप कोडिंग करनी पड़ती थी. एटलीस्ट पता होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे किस जगह पे हम लोग को टी कोड ऐड करना है, किस जगह पे उसका ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड करना है.
Okay.
Okay, अब because it was very hard. It was a very hard
Mm-hmm.
one. So make it easy afterward to make it easy for SAP security people. What
Mm-hmm.
SAP have done is after version 4.7,
Mm-hmm.
they introduced a role concept.
Okay.
अब रोल में क्या होता है कि हमको वहां पे जो है स्पेसिफाइड जगह कि यहाँ पे हम लोग को टी कोड ऐड करना है, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
और यहाँ पे हम लोग को ऑब्जेक्ट मेंटेन करना है, उनकी वैल्यूज मेंटेन करनी है,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक। यहाँ पे एमएप कोडिंग
ठीक।
जो है बहुत ही मतलब बहुत ही लिमिटेड लिमिटेड टू लिमिटेड, बहुत ज्यादा लिमिटेड है, ओनली रिलेटेड टू द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी नीड।
Mm-hmm.
ओके, कि यहाँ पे ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा, यहाँ पे उसकी वैल्यूज रहेंगी, दैट्स इट। फिर
Mm-hmm.
हम पीएफसीजी टी कोड यूज करते हैं रोल क्रिएट करने के लिए। ओके,
मतलब कि एक तरीके से कि पहले पूरी कोडिंग करनी पड़ती थी, और 4.1 के बाद में एक हमें
फोर पॉइंट
टेम्पलेट
सेवन
बना
के
के दे
बाद
दिया एक।
4.7 के बाद,
एक
हाँ, अब हम लोग के पास टी कोड और ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट मेंटेन करना होता है प्रोल में। और जब
ओके,
हम
मतलब
लोग
एक तरीके से टेम्पलेट बना के दे दिया कि जहाँ पे सिर्फ हमें टी कोड और ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड करने हैं।
एग्जैक्टली exactly,
ऐसा।
और जब उसमें एक बटन होती है प्रोफाइल जनरेट करने के लिए, जब हम लोग वो
हम्म।
करते हैं तो वो उस टेम्पलेट से ऑलरेडी जो है सारे टी कोड ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट्स की वैल्यूज पिक कर लेता है,
हम्म।
और उस प्रोग्राम फुल प्रोग्राम में जो प्रोफाइल की प्रोग्रामिंग है
हम्म।
उसमें ऐड कर देता है ऑटोमेटिकली।
ओके।
ओके, so we create a role and then generate its profile, or we create
हम्म।
or modify a role and then generate its profile।
ओके,
Okay,
बेसिकली जो कोडिंग थी उसको उसने ऑटोमेट कर दिया। हमें
एग्जैक्टली
कोडिंग पार्ट नहीं कर।
एग्जैक्टली
ओके।
हमें कोडिंग पार्ट नहीं करना, ठीक है।
हम्म।
और एंड रिमेम्बर, यूजर को एक्सेस प्रोफाइल से ही अभी भी प्रोफाइल से मिलती है, बट
ओके।
वी हैव टू असाइन रोल so that our profile can be associated with the user. We do not assign
हम्म।
profile directly to a user, that's it।
ओके।
Okay, सो यहाँ पे ये चीज है अभी। कोई कंफ्यूजन इसमें अभी? आई नो
नहीं।
थियोटिकल, मैं एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकली इसमें नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन बट ओके। सो प्रोफाइल आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, वन इज स्टैंडर्ड एंड अनदर इज जनरेटेड। ओके,
ओके।
स्टैंडर्ड profiles are those profiles that are provided by SAP itself।
ओके।
Okay, well, we do not actually use them or assign them unless asked to।
ओके।
Okay, then what we usually work on is generated profiles। जैसे कि
ओके।
मैंने कहा कि पीएफसीजी में हम रोल क्रिएट करते हैं और फिर वहां वहां पे
हम्म।
प्रोफाइल जनरेट करते हैं, तो वो दीज आर दो जनरेटेड प्रोफाइल्स।
ओके।
वी वर्क ऑन देम ओनली, एंड एक्चुअली वी जस्ट हैव टू जनरेट प्रोफाइल, नथिंग एल्स। ओके,
ओके।
लाइक ये ये एरर आता है, दिस इज एन एरर जो कि मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था
हम्म।
कि अगर हम लोग डायरेक्टली प्रोफाइल असाइन करना चाहते हैं यूजर को,
हम्म।
so we will get this type of error that,
ओके।
see, this is the generated profile, we have to
हम्म।
assign the associated role with it।
ओके।
Okay, so
ओके।
unless we assign that role, the profile won't be assigned to a user।
ओके।
Okay, this is a error I would have shown you। Okay, after that, yeah, after that we come to role designing। Okay,
ओके।
role designing means T code, means we will use PF, we will learn about PFCG T code।
ओके।
Okay, yeah, all right। So role is in the first line it says that role is a combination of,
टी कोड एंड ऑथ ऑब्जेक्ट।
yeah, uh, sorry, Okay. All right. Yeah, role is a combination of T-code and authorized object. We have to create for each role and every team in the project. Means, sorry, for each and every team in the project. Okay. For example, there is a basis team. There will be an ABAP team, ABAP developers. There will be an HR team. There will be a team for sales and distribution. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to develop team. I mean, for SAP security, roles are there. Okay.
Okay.
Now there are two categories of roles. Number one, technical support role, which is provided to basis and ABAP team. These are the technical teams. Okay.
Okay.
I think I haven't told you about basis and ABAP team, right?
No.
Okay. Well, ABAP team refers to ABAP people who work on coding.
Okay.
Okay, like SAP is designed on ABAP language.
Mm-hmm.
ABAP machine language, just like Java and C++. ABAP is a computer language, and SAP designed based on ABAP. Okay, so ABAP team is
Okay.
the coding team or the developer team. If we have to create a new T code or any auth object or anything which requires coding, it is done by the
Mm-hmm.
ABAP team. We contact the ABAP team.
Okay.
Now the basis comes the basis team. This is one of the closest team that we will work with. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they are the IT support team. Like if there is a software update, they will update it. If something is not working, okay,
Okay.
they will check it their end, and means they will provide IT support.
Okay.
Okay, then there's the second category of roles that are created that called the business roles.
Okay.
This is provided to all the end users. Okay, end users
Okay.
means all those people who are working, like who are functional in the organization. Like we
Okay.
as a staff security team,
Mm-hmm.
we too will have different roles, right?
Okay.
So those roles are called business roles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, those in the HR team who are working in HR department, they will also contain business roles.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
do you have any doubt till now?
No.
Okay, then comes after the categorization. You may forget these category that there's a technical role and there's business role. Okay,
Okay.
but remember, you have to remember these four types of roles.
Okay.
Now, let me explain one by one. Single role means this is the simplest form of role, which consists of a T code and authorization object.
Okay.
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 Uh, yeah. The means whenever we have to create any T code, we will mostly create a single role.
Okay.
Okay. Now, suppose second comes a composite role,
Okay.
which is composite.
Okay.
Okay. Means it is a combination of multiple single roles. Okay. Let me tell you, like suppose you and me both are working in same SAP security team, right?
Okay.
Suppose I'm already working there. You have joined recently.
Okay.
Now we have to add roles to your account related to SAP security department.
Okay.
Okay. So instead of assigning each and every role one by one,
Mm-hmm.
Uh, what we do is for each department, like there is a HR department, there is a SAP security department, there is basis team, there is ABAP team. So we
Mhm.
create a composite role for each department. Now,
Okay.
a composite role contains all the single roles that needs to be assigned to a person of that department. Now, you have joined SAP security team, so you will be assigned the role for SAP security team department.
o-
Means a
Okay.
single role will be assigned to your account, and all those multiple single roles that you need will be assigned to
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
Okay, so it makes the work easy. It make our work easy to remember that, yeah, this person have joined the basis team. Let's just add the composite role for basis team.
Mhm.
Once we have added that role, all those single roles are added to his account as well. He got all the necessary authorizations, and yeah, work done.
Mhm.
Account created. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, I hope this is you are able to understand this much.
Yeah.
Okay. Now comes the concept of master and derived roles. Okay. Now, how to see, Monica, how to create these
Mhm.
roles, each and every role. I will tell you once we get the demo server back. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So till now, until then, let's just I will just try to explain it as well as possible. Okay. So a master role,
Okay.
as it says, it is a single role. Okay. Consists of a T code and authorized object.
Mhm.
But there is also there is a role connected to a master role, which is a derived role.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me explain this scenario. Windows. I don't need. No, I don't available. Yeah. Okay. Let's suppose. Let's take an example of TCS organization. Okay.
Okay.
Now TCS have multiple branches, like one in Gurgaon, one in Lucknow, one in Mumbai, Bangalore. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose uh, all the people working there for SAP security team.
Mhm.
Okay. Now uh, whether I'm you working from suppose Lucknow, you are working from Mumbai. Let's say Mumbai. TCS
Okay.
Mumbai. Okay. Now we both have to use the same role, but
Mhm.
the organization wants that whatever I work should not affect the working in Mumbai location.
Okay.
Okay. Your working should not affect any work which is done in the in Lucknow location.
Okay.
So, but we have to use the same role, same authorization, same means same role. So,
Mhm.
in this scenario, what SAP has done, they have created a master and derived role concept.
Mhm.
Okay, means a master role is created with all the T code and all the objects that are needed for our working. Like you are working
Mhm.
from Mumbai, I am working from Lucknow.
Mhm.
Okay, we have we will have all the T code and auth object in that role, master role.
Mhm.
Then, but since we have to differentiate, so what
Mhm.
we do is we use a derived role as well.
Mhm.
Okay, and assign derived role to you and to me as well. To you and to me.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what happens in derived role is there is an auth object called BUKRS.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
BUKRS.
Okay.
It is for company code. Now, all the organization like TCS, all the organization, not only TCS, differentiate their branches based on a company code or plant code. Okay, means for Lucknow,
Mm-hmm.
they may use a code called 1000. For Mumbai, they will use a code called 11,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all these organizations are divided based on the company code. Means all these locations will be given a company code by the organization itself.
Okay.
Okay, so a derived role, in derived role, we do not maintain any T code and auth object.
Mm-hmm.
But what we do is we simply link it to a master role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all the T code and auth object that the master role have will be used in the derived role as well.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose okay, but to separate the working of Lucknow and Mumbai location, what they have done is in the auth object called BUKRS, they have used for Lucknow they have used 1000, and for Mumbai they have used 11,000.
Okay.
Okay, so now as long that derived role will only work in Lucknow location. If it's the BUKRS code is 1000, it will only work in Lucknow location. If
Okay.
its UKRS value is 11,000, it will on the role will only work in Mumbai location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, means based on this, they divided all the branches.
Okay.
So I hope I am able to make you understand this.
Yeah,
Any
I understood that the derived role, but little bit confused in master role.
okay? Let me. I'm going to yeah. This is a master role. Okay. Okay. See, there is a master role.
Okay.
Uh, where is that arrow? Sorry, my drawing is not that good.
No issue.
So now, now I've created 4 branches.
Okay.
Okay. So each of these branches, you may take any organization like Infosys, TCS, Accenture, anyone. Okay. They have a branch in
Okay.
they have a branch in almost every major city in India only.
Okay.
Okay, HCL like HCL, it have a branch in almost every major city. So we are
Okay.
taking have 4 branches. Now, what we do in master role is
Mm-hmm.
uh, What we do in master role is we add or modify T code and auth object. Means whatever we create a single role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me. Yeah. Okay. See, we create a single role. We add T code and auth object to it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, once we have added those T code and auth object to the role, we create a derived role for that master role. How we do it? You see here, derive from role. See,
Mm-hmm.
we add the name of that master role that we have created here.
Okay.
It's simple. Simply we just simply add the role name here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, oh, कहाँ चला गया मैं? Yeah, we simply add the that name here, master role here, and this role will become the derived role of that master role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
now, what happens is whatever changes we make to the master role, there is a button called push to the derived roles.
Yeah.
Okay, we create the master role, we add T code or modify the modify T code means add or delete T codes from the master role,
Mm-hmm.
maintain auth object in the master role, and create the profile. Once the
Okay.
profile is created, we click on that push button, and it push all those changes from the master role to the derived roles.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we do not assign master role to anyone. We only assign derived role to a user. Okay.
Okay.
So what happens is we have made the changes. I added a new T code to the master role or created means added new T code and auth object to a master role. Once done, we have generated the profile and push the changes to the derived role. So here,
Okay.
since give me a second. And here I've told you that we use auth object BUQRS, right?
Mm-hmm.
In master role, its value will be asterisk.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, in all the branch, like this is 1,000, so its value will be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000.
Mm-hmm.
Now suppose this is from Gurgaon, this is Bangalore, this is Chennai, this is Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay, so a person who is working in Gurgaon using the same role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, changes that will be reflected in his account as well in Chennai
Mm-hmm.
and Bangalore and other locations as well. But he cannot access any information. Like suppose he is using some T code to access sales order in
Mm-hmm.
Gurgaon location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he cannot access sales order from Chennai location or Mumbai location. He will only access. He will only be able to access the sales order that are available in Gurgaon location.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's how we see means we make sure that the person working in on that plant code or that BUKRS code can access information or T code tables anything only which is related to that location to that code.
Okay.
Okay, I know it's not good enough.
तो मेजरली आई मतलब अंडरस्टूड कि एक मास्टर रोल है उसके मतलब कुछ रोल्स अपन ने डिराइव करके अलग अलग ब्रांचेस को दे दिए। अब सब एक साथ अगर उसमें चेंजेस करेंगे तो उसमें हौच पौच हो जाएगी, तो सबका अपन ने सब रोल्स दे दिए और उनमें वो चेंजेस करेंगे। जैसे कोडिंग में होता है कि एक जगह चेंजेस स्टोर है सारे के सारे, फिर सबने उसकी सब ब्रांचेस बना ली। अब किसी ने जो चेंज किया वो उसका रिव्यू हो गया, वो सक्सेस हो जाता है, तो उसको पुश करके मेन ब्रांच में कर देते हैं उस टाइप से।
एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स करेक्ट, दैट एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट। सॉरी, मैं
ओके।
कोडिंग में उतना जो एक्चुअली नहीं रहा हूँ कभी।
नहीं नहीं, मतलब मैं,
Yeah.
मतलब जो
हाँ जी।
स्ट्रक्चर है उसको
नो,
मैं समझने
नो,
की
नो,
कोशिश
या
कर रही
नो,
हूँ। हाँ।
दैट्स एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट, दैट्स हाउ दिस मास्टर एंड डिजायर रोल फंक्शन वर्क्स।
ओके।
Okay, and
ओके।
okay, let's take I took an example of sales order, right?
ओके।
So let's take an example of more universal inventory. There are four inventories in four branches.
ओके।
एक यूजर को चेक करना है कि मेरे एरिया में कितने कितने यूनिट्स ऑफ एसी हैं। सपोज इज देयर, वी आर वर्किंग फॉर एसी कंपनी। ओके,
ओके।
सो उसे चेक करना है कि इन्वेंट्री में मेरे पास कितने एसी हैं। अब वो
हम्म।
अगर गुड़गांव में काम कर रहा है, उसे गुड़गांव में एसी सेल करना है, तो वो
हम्म।
मुंबई या चेन्नई की ब्रांच में तो नहीं देखेगा।
वो अपनी ब्रांच में देखेगा, हाँ।
हाँ, और क्योंकि जो है सबकी वर्किंग सेम है, सभी सभी जो है जितने भी इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट वाले इन्वेंट्री में लोग होंगे, सबके पास जो है सबको सेम बुक यूज करना है। मीन्स रोल, आई
हम्म।
वुड से सेम ऑथराइजेशन, सेम वर्किंग। दे जस्ट हैव टू
हम्म।
चेक दैट व्हाट इज इन देयर इन्वेंट्री। So due to this reason, we have created this derived role that they are using the same role. वो लोग सेम रोल यूज कर रहे हैं, सेम मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं लॉगिन करने का, लेकिन वो सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन
हम्म।
चेक कर पाएंगे अपने लोकेशन के अंदर।
हाँ।
ओके,
ओके।
ऑलराइट। आफ्टर दैट PFCG, I will explain more about PFCG actually. Okay, so this is what master and derived role is. A derived role, okay, a single role dependent on a master role. When we have to okay, जब इंटरव्यू में जब हम इसकी डेफिनेशन बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे when we have to use the same role
ओके।
but differentiate the access based on the location, company code, plant code, time zones, etc.
ओके।
Okay, then we use derived role concept.
हम्म।
Okay,
ओके।
there are some disadvantages as well, like we cannot make changes to our derived role at all. We can only change the organizational value, which is this BUKRS.
ओके।
Okay, we can only make changes to the organizational value.
ओके।
And we always have to make changes to our master role and push the changes to the derived role.
ओके।
Okay. Can you identify a disadvantage here?
कि अगर मास्टर रोल में हम अपन चेंजेस करेंगे तो मास्टर रोल तो जैसे सब वो हुआ, तो उसमें वो हो जाएगा, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कि मल्टीपल लोग, जैसे कोई एक चीज की पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू है और उसको सबने एक साथ चेंज कर दिया।
No, changes do not reflect back. No, that's not. सी
हम्म।
चेंजेस जो होता है वो विद इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही रहेगा। लाइक हम लोग BUKRS इसीलिए यूज कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल वैल्यू इसीलिए यूज कर रहे हैं डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए कि उस
हम्म।
लोकेशन पे, लाइक गुड़गांव के लिए हमने 1000 यूज किया, तो विद इन दैट लोकेशन, विद इन दैट BUKRS, वॉट एवर चेंजेस आर मेड विल बी देयर ओनली।
ओके।
ओके, सो जी, इसमें मेन इशू ये है कि सपोज वी हैव टू मेक चेंजेस in a single for a single location. Suppose there are four locations: Gurgaon, Chennai, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Okay. Now we have to use, let's say, thumb imprint, means, uh, okay, fingerprint authorization in Gurgaon location only.
Okay.
We cannot do that.
Okay.
Okay, we cannot do that. Either that fingerprint will be assigned to all the locations or not at all.
Okay.
Or we have to create a different role for that. Okay.
Okay.
Please read more about master and data rule, and I will try to get the uh, demo server so that I can show you in practical. It will be more easy.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And tomorrow I will show you about working of PSCG.
Okay.